40 Voices 40 Years project celebrated 40 years of women's activism in the movement to eliminate gender-based violence, and also looked to what we want to achieve in the next 40 years. And we wanted to celebrate that 40-year history and also learn from their experiences. We were really excited to tell these stories because it's a history that's been marginalised and hidden. They're stories of triumph and of making change and of making positive action and of really making a difference in the real world.
University of South Wales helped to tell our story in a new way than maybe we've used before. The area that we work in, domestic violence, sexual violence, other forms of violence against women, it's sometimes a difficult area, but also inspiring area, especially the stories that we see. So because of the complexities there, we were really keen to have this partnership with the George Hewitt Evans Centre for Storytelling.
As a university, we're in a position where we can support organisations and people to share their stories, and by doing that we can make better provision and better services and better policies for everybody in Wales.
For us, there's a lot of work that's happening around trying to end violence against women, but we need that core, that base of research and evidence that we can make the case that this is important, that these interventions make a difference, that it's needed, because it's hidden, because people don't want to talk about it. Often survivors, for various reasons, completely legitimate reasons, might not want to report to the police. So having this academically rigorous piece of research, this project for us is just, it's something that's really useful, that will continue to be useful for us. It's helping us achieve things in terms of public awareness, it's helping us change policy and laws, but it's also helping us save the lives of women and children.